Let's talk about the Ring camera not recording and how you can fix it. You see here that I have this Ring indoor camera, and then I have a second camera, which is a doorbell. So basically here I have a plan to record one of the cameras. So the first thing that I have to check is this. Do you have a subscription with Ring? Otherwise, it's not going to record, okay? I'm just come here to the app. You see that I can just come here to the Ring plan. And here I can check if I have the plan for each of the camera that I have available here. You see that I have this plan here, which is the Ring Solo. It covers the front door camera. So basically, you see that I'm paying $49.99 per year to record one single camera. And when I come back here, you see that I have one unsubscribed device, which is my second camera. This one here, the indoor camera, okay? So basically I don't have the plan or the subscription for this camera. That's the reason I cannot record with this camera. So if I come here to check the camera's recordings, I will not have any recording available for this camera. Here, for example, for the front door camera, you see that I have recordings, okay? And then when I come to the office camera, which is this one, there's no recording because the Ring plan is inactive. This is one of the reasons that your camera is not recording. The other one, let's say you have the plan and everything else, just check here if your camera has battery enough. You see that I have this notification. So when I come here, for example, I can read that the device battery is only at 20% and some features are unavailable. Sometimes you don't get the recordings because you don't have battery enough on the camera. That's one. Another one is just check the settings. So here you go directly to motion settings, and from here you can adjust the motion settings zones. See that I can just draw the areas here where I want to detect motion. Then there's also motion sensitivity. Here, for example, it comes from minimum to maximum. Let's say somebody is moving in front of the camera and the camera is not triggering because there's no sensitivity here enough to detect the motion. So just increase here and you save. Okay, let me just increase a little bit more, then I can save. There we go. Now I have the motion settings. By the way, I can just come here and change if I want to. I just need to do this. Better the way. And here I can just keep changing the area the way I want. And then I can just save, right? And I can create more zones and I'm good to go with the areas. Then I adjust sensitivity, and here also is marked alerts if you want to receive alerts from the motion detected by the camera. Schedules, let's say for example you have a schedule to record during the day only, so the camera is not recording at nighttime. You just need to check here as well. And here in advanced settings, you see that you have this advanced motion detection enabled. Okay, this is a good one. So it can tailor detection for your home, increase the accuracy, and trims empty footage from the recording. So it's enabled here for me. If your motion detection is not working, you can also come here and disable test if it works, and then you can come here and enable later, right? This is advanced motion. Sometimes mess up with the recording, so you can do this as well. And here's important as well, motion frequency. Here you can select frequency, frequently, regularly, or periodically, right? Let's say for example you just select this last option here, then there's a longer time to the camera to start recording again. So there's motion in front of the camera starts recording, and then it stops recording, and it'll take a long time to start recording again, even if there's motion in front of the camera, right? So you're gonna miss some motion in front of the camera. So that's a problem. Sometimes you prefer to use regularly or frequently. It's up to you. Here is gonna use more battery, right? You need to charge your battery more frequently as well. So just select this option here. And something important as well is when you come here and you can change the mode of the cameras, right? Here, for example, on mode settings, you see that I have disarmed, home, or away. If I'm leaving my home, I can just come here and select away, and the camera is going to behave according to this motion settings. You see here, for example, disarmed, then motion detection is on, smart responsive settings on, and privacy settings on for this front door camera. And I have the settings for the office camera as well. See, so I can enable motion detection, quick replies, live view. So it's up to me to select here what I want. So just be aware of this. You see for home, for example, here, you see that the motion detection is disabled. So when I get home and I change the mode to home, it's not going to record. Perhaps if you want to record, then you need to come here and select motion detection as well. Otherwise, there's no recording when you are at home. And those modes here, you can just select here in the front page. See here that I have disarmed, home, or away. So when I'm at home, I just come here and I enable home. You see that's going to record by motion as well. Let me just come here to disarmed, for example. You see that's going to record accordingly to this selection that I made here, right? I'm just leave here at home. You see here motion detection is enabled for home, and I'm good to go. So those basically are the things that you need to check, and some of them are going to solve your problem when your Ring camera is not recording. So leave your comments here, what works for you, what doesn't work for you, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.